Hello everybody, welcome to our channel Desi Maths. In today's video, we are going to understand a very important topic, and that is the laws of exponent. So let's start. Okay, so let us start the video. You know, first you should understand what are these exponents. Let me tell you. You have seen numbers like a to the power m or a to the power n or 2 to the power 2, etc. Now, in these numbers, you notice that there is something common, which is this thing. Anything which is placed here is said to be the number which denotes how many times the base, which is 2, or any other thing, have to be multiplied. Okay, let us make it simple. Okay, so our first law of exponent is zero exponent law. It says that if any number, suppose a, has the power of 0, its value will be 1. Let us see how. Take an example of 1 minus 1, which is equals to 0, or m minus m, which is equals to 0. So therefore, if I have a to the power 0, it can be written as a to the power m minus m. And here comes another law which says if the power are minusing, then we can write it in a dividing form. So it will be written as a to the power m upon a to the power m. And if the similar numbers are being found, suppose 3 upon 3, its value will be 1. So therefore, here also we'll get the answer 1. Okay, I think you have understood this law. Let us come to our second law. Okay, our next law is identity exponent law, which says that any number which has the power of 1 will be the same number. How? We can see that if we subtract 3 and 2, it will give us the value 1. So here also we'll use the same we can say the law, which is a to the power m upon a to the power n is equals to a to the power m minus n. So to get 1, we can write a to the power 3 minus 2. Okay, the 3 minus 2 will be 1. So this can be written as a to the power 3 upon a to the power 2, which we can write as a into a into a upon a into a. So we'll cancel out these similar terms and we'll get a. Okay, our next law is product law, which says that any number which has which is being multiplied and the bases are same, then the powers will be added. Let us see how. If any number is a, which is multiplied by a, and this first a we have the power of 3 and it has the power of 2, then we can write it as a into a into a. Okay, change the color, into a into a. Now this a into a is this thing, and this a cube is here. So when we'll add it together, then it will give us a to the power 5. According to the law, this power will be added, so 3 plus 2 will give us 5. Okay, now we have power of a power law, which says that any number which has a power and it has the whole power once more, then the powers will multiply. Let us see how. This says that if a to the power m has the power of n, then this m and n will be multiplied. This will be written as a to the power m dot n. This dot means multiplication. Let us see how. If we have 3 to the power 2 and it has the power of 4. Not take 4, let us take 2. Okay, it will be written as 3 into 2 and 3 into 3, sorry, and it has the power of 2. Now this whole thing could be written as 3 into 3 into 3 into 3, which will give us 4 of the power of 3. And according to the law, if we'll multiply the both things, it will give us 4. Okay, our next law is quotient law, which says that any number which is being divided means a to the power m upon a to the power n. This thing will be a to the power m minus n. Let us see how. Okay, so if we have a number a to the power 4 divided by a to the power 2, we can write this whole thing as a to the a into a into a into a, and in the division we have a into a. So when cancel out the similar terms, which is equals to a square, and according to the law the powers will be subtracted, so this thing will give us 2. Okay, now we have the negative exponent law, which says that any number which has the power in minus will be written in this form. So let us make it clear. If it has the power of minus m, then it will be written as 1 upon a to the power m. Okay, so if we have any number which is 2, it is 2 and its power is minus 2, it will be written as 1 upon 2 to the power 2, which is equals to 1 upon 4. Okay, now we have power of a product law, which says that the power are similar and the two terms are multiplying in a brackets, then the powers will be given on both the things. For example, if we have a into b and we have the power of m, so it will be written as a to the power m into b to the power m. Now our last law of this video is power of a quotient. Let us understand how. If any fraction have a power, so the power will go on the denominator and on the numerator both. Let us see how. If we have a upon b, then the powers, which is m, will go on both the numbers. It will be written as e to the power m upon b to the power m.